Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to start our new chapter, time, speed and distance. In this video we are going to see how easily we can solve the question using some short tricks and some important formula I will provide you so that you can easily solve the questions in few seconds. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर आप वीडियो को स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक देखिएगा एंड वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज आप वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट. मेजरली ये जो चैप्टर है ये 3 टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन इसमें बनते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइप जो होता है वो कार एंड मैन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. मैन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. सेकंड जो होता है ट्रेन एंड टनल टाइप क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. थर्ड वन बोट एंड स्ट्रीम टाइप क्वेश्चंस. So in this video we are going to see first basic things of time, speed and distance which you should have to keep in your mind. Let's see. First, the basic formula of time, speed and distance is speed which is equals to distance upon time. You already know this formula very well, as we can say that if distance is constant, speed is inversely proportional to time. Speed is inversely proportional to time when distance is constant. And if time is constant, speed is directly proportional to distance. Time is constant. I hope this much you got this. So let's see some important conversions in time, speed and distance. 1 kilometer which is equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter which is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 hour which is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute which is equals to 60 seconds. Please note down. Now we are going to see how we can convert our speed or distance or time Now we are going to see how we can convert speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second and from meter per second to kilometer per hour. So first conversion is kilometer per hour to meter per second. For converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, just simple multiply the number with 5/18. Second, for converting meter per second to kilometer per hour, just simple multiply the given digit into 18 by 5. Please note down this much. Further we will see how we can apply this conversion. Question: express a speed of 20 meter per second in kilometer per hour. So what we have to do, we have to convert 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour. As I already mentioned in the previous page, if we have to convert meter per second, so we just have to multiply it by 18 by 5. Answer: for converting 20 meter per second to kilometer per hour, just simply multiply this as 18 by 5. We will get the answer into kilometer per hour. So this 5 and 24, 18 for the 72. 72 kilometer per hour is the answer. So this is the conversion of meter per second to kilometer per hour. As simple as for converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, we are going to see this in the next question. Let's see. Express express 72 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Answer: as simple, just simple write this 72 kilometer per hour and multiply this as 5 by 18. For converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, we are just multiply this as 5 by 18. So this is going to 20 meter per second. I hope you get this. For converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, just simple multiply this as 5 by 18. And for converting from meter per second to kilometer per hour, just vice versa of this. I hope you got this. Let's move to another example. If it is already given that speed which is equals to 20 kilometer per hour and given time which is equals to 60 seconds. Please make this time as 3600 seconds. So as we already know, speed which is equals to distance upon time. So put the speed which is 20 kilometer per hour, and now distance we have to find distance upon time which is 3600 seconds. For converting this 3600 seconds into hour, we have to just divide this as 60 into 60 minutes and 60 for seconds, and this will convert into hour. So this 60 and this 60 will going to cancel out. So 60 and 60 which are already 3600, so this will be going to 20 kilometer per hour into 1 hour, which is equals to distance. Therefore distance which is equals to 20 kilometer. I hope you get this. Let's take one more example for further clarification. Question: given distance which is equals to 20 kilometer and time equals to 60 minutes, and what we have to find? Speed. So as we already know, speed which is equals to distance upon time, and if it's not given, we have to find speed in meter per second or kilometer per hour. Sorry, it's already given in the question. Find speed in kilometer per hour. For finding speed in kilometer per hour, as already given distance in kilometer, so we did not have to change this, and time which is 60 minutes. For converting minute into hour, we have to divide the 60 minute by 60. 60 divided by 60. This is going to 20 kilometer per hour. I hope you get this. Thank you so much.